It is March 11th of March 2025, and today's leetcode daily challenge is number 1358, titled Number of Substrings Containing All Three Characters. If you've done the daily challenge of yesterday, you can see that it's a bit similar, but even though both are medium, today's leetcode challenge is a bit easier because we don't have to check for exactly k elements in the substring, and we know that we only have one of the three characters, A or B or C. So to summarize, I mean, it's already summarized. We've got a string S consisting only of A, B, or C, and we should return the substring containing at least one occurrence of all these characters. So the way we'll do this is, I mean, we'll have to keep track of all the occurrences we have. To do so, we will use a hash set. Hash sets will do default dict with an integer, so it will start at 0. We'll add the count variable, and we will do a sliding window method. The sliding window will have a variable size, so we will put inside the for loop the right edge, but inside this for loop we will put the left edge. So at each step of the for loop, the first for loop, we will increment our right edge by 1 to the right, and for the while loop we will do the same but for the left, and the condition of the while loop will be whether or not we have all three occurrences, and obviously whether or not the right edge is bigger than the left edge. So we'll start by creating the occurrence hash set. So occurrences collections dot default dict of integer, and to keep track of our count we will do 0, and we've got the left edge which is 0. So for right in range of the length of S, we've got ox of right of S of right plus equals 1. So now we've added to the occurrences set 1 in case like we've got A the string starts with A, for example. In the set we will have A but no other elements. So the way to check if we got all three characters in the occurrences, we can just check for the length of the occurrences hash set. So we'll do while loop, the length of ox equals 3, and we will have to update it in case one of the occurrences becomes 0, because we will be incrementing the left edge, so we'll pop off whatever character is in the left edge, and we will decrement the occurrences hash set of that character by 1, so if it becomes 0, then we'll have to pop it entirely. Instead of keeping track of it, we will put, instead of putting like the occurrences of A is 0, we'll put if occurrences of some character is 0, then we will pop it off. And the second condition is if left is less than right. Right, so while this is the case, we will do count plus equals. So we'll need to add all the substrings as long as this condition applies. So starting from the left edge, so I mean from the left edge to the right, and we will keep adding all the characters from the right to the end of the string. So we'll do len of s minus right edge. Okay, so now we will need to pop off the left characters. So we'll do ox of s of left minus equals 1, and we will do the condition if ox of s of left equals 0, then we need to ox dot pop s of left. So what this tells us is, just like I explained it right now, if we no more have at least one occurrence of some character, then we'll just pop it off the hash set. So I will do this, and obviously we will return count at the end. We will increment left plus equals 1. I feel like I forgot something. So we got the occurrences hash set count left and right equals 0. Let's test this out to see what is the mistake. No, it's okay. All good. Very nice.